Hi, today topic is creating and configuring an organization in AWS. It consists on four steps. First, create organization, then create organizational units, and create service control policies, and in the last we will test the restrictions. So let's begin. In our AWS account, this is the account name, and in the AWS organization page, we need to create an organization. Yeah, our organization has been created and the root user is default user. Now we will invite another AWS account user by add an AWS account. We will mention the account name as per tutorial. It will be the with starting with the digit 2 and the email of the account holder. And IAM role will be remain same, create account. We need to verify the AWS organization from the same root email. For that, we need to verify your email address, and it will take us to the AWS organization page. As we can see, our email address has been successfully verified, and we already had two users in our organization. The next step, as per the tutorial, is to create the OU. Before creating the organizational units, we need to create the third account as a member account, starting with the 3. So I will initiate this process also. Add new account with the digit and the email address for this account. Rest of things will remain same and create AWS account and AWS creating account. After some time, it will showing here. As we can see, our third account is also showing under the root AWS organization. Now our first step has been completed. Now we are in the step 2, create the organizational units. In this section, we will create two OUs. One will be the production and one will be the main app. Our management account will remain under the root account and account 222 will remain under production, while main app OU will be under the production OU with the account 333. To create the OU, we need to tick this root and action create new organizational unit name. The name will be the production and create organizational unit. Second OU we have is main app. We will take same, and this one will be under the production. So click the production, create new. This one create organizational unit. Now we need to move the users in their respective OUs. So we select the OU, select the user 222 and action move, and it will go under production. So it has been moved. Now we need to move the user 333 under the OU main app, move AWS account. As we can see, we have the root OU, then production. In production, we have main app OU with the user 333 and production have the user 222 and root OU has the user 111. Now our second step has completed, and now we are at the step 3, create the service control policies. In this service control policies, we need to go to the policies and we can see by default all policies are disabled. So we need to select service control policies and enable service control policies. It is enabling. Full AWS access is by default. The policies allowing every operation. As mentioned in the create service control policies, we need to create 3 policies. So we will begin one by one. Our first policy name will be the block CloudTrail configuration actions. So we will create the policy. We will put the policy name uh, and in this body we need to copy paste the same text and create policy. Now we will create our second policy. Create policy, policy name and body. Okay. Create policy which will allow for the approved services, and we need to go to the uh, third service. Now we are creating our third policies. Deny list for main app prohibited services and the body. Create policies. The first 2 policies will be for the production OU, and the third policy that we created, it will be for the main app OU. So we will attach this policy with the main OU, main app, and other 2 policies we will attach to the production OU. So we can attach it one by one. It will be in the production and block CloudTrail attach policy production save. So it has successfully attached the service control policies. We can see the attached policies here in the production OU policies, and here we have the list of attached policies. 2 policies are attached, and with the other one, which is our main app OU under the production OU, click this one and policies, and it has the deny list for main app prohibited service policy. Until this stage, we have completed our 3 steps. Step 1 was create organization, then create OU, and then create service control policies. Now we will test our restrictions that we have applied in AWS organization using the service control policies. As per our first created policies, we want to block the CloudTrail configurations, and we applied this one on the under the production OU, and account 222 was under this same OU. So as per this account, as per this policy, we cannot use CloudTrail to add tags or create trail, delete trail, remove tags, start logging, stop logging, and update trail. So we will do an experiment to check either we have successfully implemented our policies or no. As you can see, we are here at our another account with the starting digit 222, and we need to test Cloud Trail service, and I open Cloud Trail service, create Cloud Trail management events, Cloud Trail. See, we got the error, you don't have permission to perform this action, An administrator for your account might need to add permission to the policy that grant you access to CloudTrail. As for the second OU, main app OU, we attached one policy to deny DynamoDB, so we are going to test this one also. For this, we open our account 333 and DynamoDB console. Create table, any test SCP service control policy 12 and create. And we got the error not authorized user. Perform this specific task. So we have done our step 4, which is testing for the organization policies. With the second user, we test CloudTrail configurations that was denied, and with the policy with the account 333, we try to perform the DynamoDB test, which also denied. So we have successfully implemented our AWS organizations, and we created the organizational units, we created the service control policies, and we test the restrictions. Thank you very much.